This is Amrita Chakrabarti. I have done my MBA in Human Resource Management and I'm here to teach you French. The topic is to be covered, that is how to introduce yourself and how to introduce your friend. Now let's start. Yeah. The first, suppose if you are introducing yourself, then how to say? You will say that my name is dash. So your name is, what is your name? How to say that? In French, you will say, Je m'appelle Amrita Chakrabarti. And where you live, you can say, J'habite Paris. That means I live in Paris. Okay, in this way, it is just introducing yourself. And here you can add about yourself, where you live, and what is your age, what is your email ID, how to say your phone number, and describe yourself, like what you like, what you dislike, how you look like. Okay, but here I'm going to teach you how to describe your friend. Now I'm sharing slide. Yeah. So see how to introduce your friend. Suppose you are having some female friend. So in the female, you have to say ma meilleure amie. I hope it's you can see the board. Ma meilleure amie. Okay. This ma means mine. This is female gender. In French, we have masculine gender as well as female gender in everything. So this is my is in female, feminine gender. Okay. Now this mayor is best and this army is your friend. That is female friend. Now here an E is added. Why an E is added? To show that the gender is female. If I suppose write E, or sorry, if I don't write E, then this will be a male friend. Okay? And this ma will change to mo. M-O-N. To introduce your male friend. But here I am introducing my female friend. So how can I write that? Ma mère amie. Okay. Okay. So when I said that when I was introducing myself in French, I said je m'appelle. But when you're introducing your friend, you will say s'appelle, not m'appelle. Je m'appelle. But here, when you're introducing your friend, you will say s'appelle. My meilleure amie s'appelle, your friend name, whatever you want to say. Okay, so now I'm just writing few points. That is my ma meilleure amie s'appelle and your friend name will write over here. Now, next is what is her age? So, now next is L. This is she. If you want to write he, we will say il. But since you're writing she, the pronunciation is L. L-A owns a. So she is 11 years of age. Okay. I'll also introduce something about the female male part also. If you want to write he is 11 years. So simply you have to erase this one and you have to write ill. Okay, this means he. Okay, and now, and the thing is same only this part will change. L is he and L is she. And this is what is the year? Like she is 11 years of age. Now the third one thing I forgot to mention is that when you're writing best to say as female best friend, then it will be male. Pronunciation is same. That is, this is male best, okay? Best friend. Oh. And there you will be writing Ami only. But in terms of female, you will be writing add an E. Here also add an E. That time it will become female best friend. Okay. Hope it is clear now. Now, anything you want to introduce more is that like what is her name we have done, the age we have done. Now we move on to where she lives. Okay. Suppose she lives in France. So you will be writing the city name where she lives. So El Abid. The place name. Okay. And this is a preposition. Okay. And this means where you live, like live. And this is she. She lives in the place. Now we move on to the how she looks like. She is short, she is tall. So how can you say in that? So you can say L-A. This A means is. Okay. So L-A, petite. P-E-T-I-T-E. So again here, since it is a female gender, we add an E. It's not always that most of the words to identify that it is a female or masculine gender, but 90% cases we add an E to show that it is a female gender. But generally it's not the case in always. I will not say that is 100% right, but 95% I can say that yes, most of the words to identify is we add an E in the last. Okay. So L-A, petite. Then you can also add and the petite means small. She is small. And suppose you want to write something more and she is tall or she is beautiful, then you can write A. L-A, this means and. This means and E-T. Okay. So it's the pronunciation is A. Okay. L-A, petite. A, belle. And beautiful. So this is beautiful in French. Now you might be thinking that how to say of male friend who is handsome. This belle is beautiful, and if you want to say male friend, you have to say beau, that is handsome. Okay. So this is some of the adjectives you can use. Like you can also write handsome, belle. For the female, you can write belle. And you can also write intelligent. That is, she is intelligent. Okay. Again, see, I have added an E. If I write, suppose if I am saying he, then I will be writing intelligent. Okay, that is for he. I hope I have made it clear to you. So in this way, you can describe your friend, or I have also said about male friend, how to introduce, and also a female friend. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you really liked my French video, then you can contact me through UrbanPro. Thank you so much.